Honda is rumored to be preparing a CB400 motorcycle with a 4-cylinder engine for 2025 reportedly. There will be two models, naked and with fairing. The Honda CB400 will replace the CB400 SF, which will end production in 2022. The 4-cylinder Honda CB was first introduced by Honda in 1990, won at the 29th Tokyo Motorshow. The CB400 is said to be a derivative of the CB1000 Superfour, which was quite famous in its time. From its birth, the CB400 immediately became the idol of bikers. Several updates made by Honda include the presence of the Hyper VTECH version in 1999, then renewing the CB400 SF with VTECH Roman II, followed by VTECH Roman III to D4, and culminating in D5. Honda introduced the CB400 Super Bold, and now the Honda CB400 tries to renew its old product by presenting the Honda CB400. The Honda C400 has a design that combines classic and modern elements. This can be seen from the round headlight shape with modern technology. The headlight is round, which gives it a classic feel, but is likely to use LED technology for better lighting. The CB400 also has a striking yellow fuel tank with a large Honda logo, giving it a sporty and dynamic feel. In addition, the advantage of the Honda C400 lies in the inline-4 engine, which is the most important point that has a completely new design. With the old CB400 series engine derived from the 1986 CBR400 RNC23, Honda found it difficult to provide performance in an environment that is expected to meet Euro 5 standards today, or more than 10 years in the future, so Honda tried to change the CB400 engine for the better. But don't compare Honda's 400cc 4-cylinder engine to the one in the Kawasaki ZX4R that produces 77 PS of power. Given that Honda usually has a different approach, it is more about total control than too much power. Assuming the new engine produces 70 TK, that's a significant increase from the CB400 Superfour, which produces 56 PS. Not to mention that it will also be embedded with e-clutch technology that has been used in the CB650R and CBR650. The most interesting part of the Honda CB400 is certainly the body. Indeed, there is no clear information about what it will be like, but most likely it will be inspired by the CB400 Superfour. There is a classic style with round headlights. However, there is no official information when the Honda C400 release date. Information circulating is still fluctuating, but currently targeted around the fall of 2025.